The ZUGO Rhino features a Bafang motor, which might be a G060 or a G062 motor. The G060 motor has a pigtail, which is a motor cable that comes out on the drive side, which is the side with all the gears on it. The G062 motor, the cable does not come out on the drive side, but instead comes out on the other side of the bike. In this video, we want to talk about how to reattach the motor cable to your G062 frame. There are two zip ties that we want to reattach whenever we do any sort of wheel maintenance, whether it be changing our tire or anything that involves taking our rear wheel out of the frame. One of them is located here, and you have a little tab where you want to attach your pigtail to. The other one is located on the inside of the frame closest to your brake. Here's the other one on the inside of your frame, and here's your brake rotor. You can see how important it is to make sure that you zip tie it down to make sure that your pigtail does not actually end up inside of your rotor. If your rotor rubs against this cable, it can damage it and cause a motor failure, which can be expensive. We don't want to see that happen. So if we're doing anything, we want to make sure that we have this zip tie always put back on here, putting our pigtail securely to our frame, and the other one on the other side over here. This is going to be different if you have a step-through model. This is for the step-over, and the step-over is the one that has the top bar on it. So this is a video on the G062 motor with the pigtail that comes out on the non-drive side, how you want to attach that cable. We have this one here that runs into the frame over here and runs into a hole. And the other one, which is located right here on the inside. Very important to put back on. You have to cut these in order to remove your wheel, and when you put them back on, you want to make sure you put them back on where you cut them off.
So again, when you're putting your rear wheel in, you're going to make sure your torque washers are always lined up and going into your dropouts this way. And you have this zip tie on the G062. It's going to keep your pigtail out of your rotor. Super easy.